as chorus. I went through your residence, and I'm told that you'll be moving to your new home soon. And I'm very proud of your achievements, and I'm very proud to hear what you inspire to be. I see soldiers here, I see car mechanics, I see chefs, school teachers, engineers, flight attendants, singers, teachers. Nothing is impossible. Nothing is impossible. It's only you have to do your job to get there. I know you live in this, sometimes we cannot decide where we have to be in life. But with faith, it can take you to heights, greater heights in life. But then again, you'll have to face challenges in life. They prepare you. We all are prepared for something big. I was prepared to become a president. I had to go through the challenges of life. And little did I know that I'm now sitting and talking to you and sharing to you that nothing is impossible. If you want to be a pilot, whatever you can be, all you have to do is dream. Dream and believe in your dreams and work that dream. Study hard. Work hard in school and try to be the person that you want to be. If you want to be a flight attendant, look like a flight. You already look like a flight attendant. You know, be confident, be graceful in what you do. It's your attitude. Yeah, that's what it's all. It's all that. Don't let other people underestimate you. No. You know, we are all here. You know, we breathe the same air, but we have different. So if you want to be a flight attendant, you will be. I look forward to the day you serve me as I go on Fiji Airways. How old are you? 16. So I will take note of you. So you are in your form?
Next year from 6.
From 6. I'll remember you. I'll mark your progress with Miss Power, and I hope I can be part of your team. Yeah? So you do your job, I can do my job. So yeah, it's not only for her, for everybody here. All you have to do is dream. Somebody said to dream, there's the coming attraction of what's to come. One day I dreamed that when I was a young boy, I wanted to be an officer in the parade, and I became that officer. So from then on, so I'm just living my dream now. Now I'm giving back. I'm just sharing to you what I wanted to be and what I did to be here. So, you know, even though you may have, you know, you share the room with your brothers and sisters, you know, you live in a crowded room, but that does not defeat the purpose. Keep on working hard. Work hard. Like I said, live the dream. Yeah? So I hope next year with my secretary's planning and approval, then I'll come and see you again. Hopefully in the media. Never know. But I'll try and come back and see you. You have opened my eyes, you have opened my inspirations, you know. I have my grandkids. I wish I brought my grandkids to give them that challenge. So you are here in this, but you'll be moving soon to your new home. Don't let the situation deter you from who you want to be. Sometimes we don't have what we want, but in your mind, you have to think. You have to be very strong, be a good thinker, be a strong thinker, know who you are, right? And I look forward to the chef. You're the chef. Who's the chef? Going to make you a nice curry one day, yeah? So yeah, you know, kids, that's what I want to share with you. I've been sharing the same message from your friends, your fellow brothers and sisters in Ba, those in Lotoka, and all those places that I've been to. The same message. Live your dream. Don't let anybody say that you can't be who you are. You can be who you are. You know? And then when you reach that position, when you reach your dream, and then you can turn back and tell your critics in your face. Right? So that will make people be a strong person. They will be a strong individual. No matter what, you can still survive in this world. And, you know, trust in yourself. Trust in yourself to be someone. I wish you well. I hope you'll enjoy your holidays. Remember, holiday season comes with challenges. There could be accidents, something's happened. So you look after your brothers and sisters here, you know. Make sure you be attentive to all the rules and the regulations, and enjoy life. Enjoy life. So I wish you all a Merry Christmas and a
Happy New Year.
Nakawale.
Mata